Welcome to the Akasha practice. My name is Kirsten, and I'll guide you through a 25 minutes yin yoga practice to release stress and feel alive again. So, that's a practice that's targeting the shoulders, relaxing, opening the shoulders. We work with some twists, which is really great to restore balance in your nervous system, and we have some deeply nourishing postures. So for this practice, you might want to use a flat pillow or a folded blanket and perhaps a bolster or just a bigger pillow from your bed. In yin yoga, it is really important to go deep in the postures, deep meaning to be still in the postures and completely relaxed. So this is when we can really tap into the benefits physically of the practice, but also to open up into spaciousness, to open